Hello children, I am your science teacher Mrs. Virginia. Did you all go through the PowerPoint presentation that I sent last week? I had mentioned in the PowerPoint presentation that you all were having the subject called EVS from the past 2 years. That is in your first class and second class. Right now in your third class it has changed. You are having two subjects. The same EVS is being divided into two subjects, which is science and social. So as I mentioned in the PowerPoint, on Tuesdays we will be learning science and on Thursdays we will be learning social studies. So today we are going to start with the first lesson in science. This is your science textbook and your first lesson is on being a scientist. Shall we start? Every scientist dreams of doing something that can help the world. Would you like to be a scientist when you grow up? Even if you do not want to be a scientist, thinking like a scientist can help you a lot in your daily life. Okay, so what do scientists do that we do not do? Firstly, scientists observe what is going on around them. For example, if I ask you a question, when you're going to your school, you observe so many things. Either when you're traveling with your father on your vehicle, or if you're traveling by an auto, but still, you observe so many things on the way, like cars, trees, animals. Yeah, so that is one thing that scientists do. Scientists observe. So, like most people think that observation is just seeing. No, it's just not seeing. It is thinking what you're looking at. Now students, I want you all to observe something on the next slide. What did you all hear? You all could hear the buzzing sound of mosquitoes. In this slide we can see a boy is sleeping and it is night time. During night, in the dark, the boy is not able to see the mosquitoes. However, he knows that there are mosquitoes in his room because of the sound that they make, and also some of them go and bite him. So the sense of skin and the sense of ear helps him to know that there are mosquitoes in his room. In this slide, can you all see the 5 senses and body parts? Yes, you all have already learnt about it in your previous class. Yeah, you can see in the first picture, it's the sense of touch. You can see the person is touching some thorny item and she can feel the prick. In the second picture, there's a man who's seeing with the lens. Yeah, so that is eyes. We all can, human beings can see with our eyes. The third picture shows the picture of a tongue and tasting a lollipop. So that means with the help of our tongue, we can taste things. The fourth one is your nose. The boy is smelling cookies. Yeah, he's able to know what is the smell with the help of his nose. And the last one is the boy is listening to music. He has put on his earphones and he's able to listen to music with the help of his ears. Let us see each part little more in detail. So as per this lesson, scientists, like using your senses, let us try how observant we are. So with the help of eyes, first let us see this video and then let us see how observant we are with the help of our eyes.
Eyes. Which part of your body lets you read the back of a cereal box, check out a rainbow and see a cricket ball heading your way? Which part lets you cry when you're sad and makes tears come out of them? Which part has muscles that adjust to let you focus on things that are close up or far away? If you've guessed the eye, you're absolutely right. Your eyes are at work from the moment you wake up to the moment you close them to go to sleep.
Yes. So what did you all understand from the video? The eyes are always working from the moment we wake up until we sleep in the night. And with the help of the eyes, we can see so many things. Now let us see another video of the next sense organ, that is nose, and how the nose helps us to smell.
Nose. A big batch of cookies coming out of the oven, or your gym bag full of dirty clothes. How do you smell these smells and 1,000 more? It's your nose, of course. Your nose lets you smell.
Yes. So did you all observe the video? The nose helps us to smell. Have you all any, you all know the smell of so many things, and most of you all like the smell of food, right? You like to smell cake, you like to smell cookies, chocolates, ice cream. Yes. Do you like the smell of dirty garbage? No. So the nose differentiates and lets us know that there is good smell and there is bad smell. Now let us watch the next video for the sense organ tongue.
Today, we're going to learn about the sense of taste. Have you noticed how salty this popcorn is? Or how sour this lemon is? Why do foods taste differently? All this is possible thanks to the sense of taste. The sense of taste allows us to identify and learn how foods taste. The tongue is the sensory organ responsible for tasting.
Yes. So the tongue is the sensory organ that is responsible for taste. All of you like to taste some food and dislike the taste of some food. So you all can play a small activity. So children, I want you all to try out this activity at home. Ask your parents to blindfold you and give you some dishes to eat. After eating them, you must be able to guess what food you have eaten and what was the taste of it. Also, whether you like the food or not. So with this, you will come to know how the tongue helps us to taste different types of food. Okay. Now let us move on to the next sensory organ, the ears. Let us watch this video first.
Ears. Did you hear something? Maybe the sound you heard was as quiet as your cat licking her paws. Or maybe it was as loud, like a siren going by. Sounds are everywhere, and you have two cool parts of your body that let you hear them all. Your ears.
Yes, your ears help you to listen to different sounds. Yeah. So in this video you have seen how the cat's making some sound while licking milk, and how you are able to listen to music. So with this we come to know that we are able to hear with the sensory organ called ears. Now let us move on to the next sensory organ, that is the skin.
Skin. Your skin is a fabulous bag for your body. It's stretchy and waterproof. Skin covers your whole body. It protects you from germs, water, sunshine, and helps keep your body at the right temperature.
Yes. So we can see how skin protects our body from so many things like germs, temperature, sunshine, heat, etc. We also know that there are some people who cannot see, and how do they make out things? Yes, they use the sense of touch to identify things and even other people. So our skin is very sensitive. When you touch something hot or cold, you move away your hand. We mostly use our fingers to feel things. Now let us move on to the next slide, that is similarities and differences. When you observe things carefully, some of them look, sound and feel the same. but there are always some small differences between them. Look at these children. They are identical twins. They are born on the same day. They look alike, but they are not still the same. They are having some differences. That is, when you observe, you will come to know. Also, in the second picture, you can see below, they are all children of the same class. But are they all same? No. The only similarity is that all of us are human beings. But there are some boys and girls. There are some boys who are tall and there are some boys who are short. Some are fair and some are dark. Some are fat and some are thin. Some are strong and some are weak. So these are the things that we observe, and we get to know the differences and the similarities. Now let us move on to the next slide to observe some similarities and differences in this non-living things, such as these bottle caps. So you all know these bottle caps, they all are of cold drinks. However, some of them are different from the other. So first let us see what are the similarities. The first similarity is that all of them are bottle caps and all of them are colorful and all of them are made with the same material, that is plastic. Now let us move on to the differences. You can see that there are different sizes of bottle caps. Some are small and some are big, and some are of different colors, and some belong to different brands of cold drinks such as Coca-Cola, Sprite, 7-Up, etc. Observing things raises question in a scientist's mind. It helps him to sort things into groups. Sorting things into groups is also useful in our daily lives. Your mother sorts your clothes into different groups and keeps them separately. She keeps the school uniforms in one place, daily clothes in another, t-shirts, shorts, your undergarments and socks are stored separately. This helps your mother to save her time. Otherwise, she would have to look through dumps of clothes to find them. Now, if you see the slide, you can see that there are 4 pictures. In the first picture, you can see different cloth material, different clothes with like all of them are having dots on them with different colors. In the second one, it's plain shirts of different colors. The third picture is handkerchiefs that have checks and or of different colors. And the fourth one is tops with stripes on them with different colors. So if you have to sort it as per design, this is the way it would be sorted. Dots separate, checks separate, stripes separate and plain shirts separate. But if you were given a task to sort things according to color, I think it would be different. You will mix the dots, stripes, checks and the plain shirts of one color in one place. So this is called sorting. I hope you all followed the lesson very well. If you all did not follow, please go through the video again and again. And you all can see in the slide that I have given you all some homework. Yes. So you all have to, I'll be sending you the picture of your notes after this video. Please see that picture and write down the notes in your classwork book neatly with a pencil. And you all know that the classwork is a 200 pages, one side, king size rule book. Also, children, please complete this exercise in your textbook. There are some fill in the blanks, some match the following, and there are some exercises which you all can do with the help of your parents. And you all can verify the answers when I send you all the answers on Saturday. That's it, children, for today. Bye.